Hey look, it's Internet Dog. Yeah. Hey guys, Internet Dude here. So I'm just in my shop today. Check out my latest project. It's a 1986 AMC Eagle. What a beauty, hey? The dog agrees. So basically what this is, I don't know if you've seen these before. They're mostly, are you done? They're mostly crushed and in the junkyard and recycled and gone, but I found this one, and as strange as it is, I've kind of liked these things. The wood grain, I don't know, something about the wood grain just really appeals to me. So what I'll do is I'll take it outside here. There's not really the best view here to give you a tour, so I'll take you outside and give you a tour. All right, I got more room here just to give you a little better look at this AMC Eagle. So yeah, I don't know, it's kind of a hoopty, isn't it? Especially you look at like the broken window and stuff like that. Yeah, kind of, yeah. But if you think that's bad, that one's way worse. Yeah, I actually bought two of them. I don't know. This, oh golly. This thing is like just massive hoopty, but this is the parts car. You can see the wood grain's in worse shape. Yeah, it's real hit and miss as to each one. Which one's better, which one's worse for different things. The windshield's quite smashed up on here. It's got the wrong grill. Yeah. Anyway, let's come back to the main one, because this one's actually the nice one in my mind. Some people think they're both hoopties that I talk to. They're like, why would you buy that? But I don't know. To me, this is the nice one. That's the hoopty. So it's a 1986 AMC Eagle, and I believe the Eagle was introduced in 1980 and was discontinued as of 1988. Now, the cool thing about all the AMC Eagles is that they're four-wheel drive, and they have a system based off of the Jeep, because AMC Jeep was like the same company at that time. So the cool thing is that in this one, it says four-wheel drive. I think some of them actually said something a little bit different on them, depending on the year. Something that was a little bit different between the different years, the different cars, like this one. Oops. We can switch between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive just by flicking the switch. It's actually just that easy. You don't have to stop, you don't have to get out, that's shift on the fly, you don't have to reverse or slow down or anything. Different years had different options. Some of them you actually had to pull a little tab on the bottom and you had to stop to switch. The very early ones were essentially all-wheel drive, and you couldn't switch out. So that's kind of the main thing with the AMC Eagle, was you had basically it was like, this is the go anywhere kind of car before all-wheel drive was a thing. And technically it was all-wheel drive because you could use it all year round. You could basically put it in four-wheel drive and never touch it again. So I'll give you a quick tour. I guess we'll just continue walking around here. So on this side we're missing a piece of trim down there, which it's actually very hard to locate, but I'm hoping to find that. What else here? Like I say, the wood grain's in good shape. The power window has a problem. The glass is stuck down here and won't go up, and I took the motor out, I took it apart, and I can't repair it. So I've ordered up a new power window motor for that. That's the thing that makes this thing look like a lot like a hoopty, to me anyway. Genuine station wagon. You don't see very many genuine station wagons anymore. I got the hatch popped here just so you can take a peek. Eagle, CA sticker. So, genuine station wagon. I don't know if the hatch will stay up or hit me in the head, but I can lift this up. That's where your spare tire and different things are. Tire wrench, miscellaneous. And it's hitting me in the head. You can fold down the rear seat. to get additional room or additional cargo space. There's a wasp. I want him to leave. Get out. Okay, he's not leaving. All right, let's close that. Come around to this side. Same deal this side, actually. We're just missing a chrome piece of trim there and those rubber strips down there. Now, if you take a look at the other car, I'll actually be able to take that chrome strip off, I think, and put it on this door on this side. But underneath that, it looks a little worse underneath because the guy siliconed that piece back on. The wood grain decal's kind of coming apart a little bit. Just show you under the hood real quick. All right, so this car is equipped with the 258 cubic inch, 4.2 liter AMC engine. It's an inline 6. Basically the same engine that was used in the Jeeps as well. You can see pretty standard stuff here. That's the air conditioning compressor. These wires were cut when I got it, and so I just butt crimped these together just to see if I could get the AC compressor working, and that didn't make it work, so there might be something else wrong. Typical, you know, duct tape and falling apart there. But pretty standard stuff under the hood here. Nothing real spectacular. The Eagles were available in a 5-speed manual or an automatic, I believe. Like this one's the 3-speed automatic. All right. Okay, give you a quick interior tour. It's got these classic AMC handles. All right, so this car's fancier one because you can see power windows and power door locks there. And the fancy wood grain trim. The very top of the line model, the Eagle Limited, got leather interior, but this one just has the cloth. So it's in pretty good shape. Sit down here, just kind of show you. This one has 167,000 kilometers. Standard stuff here. You got the light switch, the washer, wiper washer, 2-wheel drive switch. You got your vent down there. Fancy steering wheel with the wood grain on it. Radio, climate control, floor shifter. That cool tray that runs underneath the dash. That's kind of cool. You never see that. I'm sure if you get into a crash, it's probably not the best thing to have under there. Select drive on the glove box here. There's your glove box. I don't have it in here, but the car came with the owner's manual and the original sales receipt from 1986. The guy traded in a 1978 AMC Concorde when he bought this. As with most of these old cars, you get the headliner coming down. I put some pins on it just to kind of help it stay up there. Here's the back seat. Pretty standard stuff. Now the door panel's off there because that's in progress. And there you go. So very much a hoopty, let me tell you. This car was actually the cheaper of the two, sadly. Oh, I guess I should start it up for you so you can hear it. The back tires are really nice. They're newer, studded winter tires. Front tires are also studded too, but they're worn out a bit more. So let me start it for you. It's actually warm, so it should fire right up. Yep, fires right up. A little bit of a squeal from the belt or a pulley. That's not uncommon. Let me give you a quick look at the other hoopty. It's pretty much the same as this one. So yeah, total hoopty. Looks the same under the hood. There's not even anything to show you there. So this I bought strictly as a parts car. It is actually running and driving, but some things are a little worse, a few things are a little better. This one doesn't have power windows, but it does have air tilt cruise, power locks. Oh, and this one has power mirrors though. So these power mirrors both work. So as long as the wiring's there, I'm going to go and swap the power mirrors over to the good car. Pretty much the same in here, same interior. Headliner's starting to come down, same radio, dash, everything. The steering wheel is a bit different. Mine has the fancy leather wrapped wheel. This one's kind of the standard AMC wheel. I kind of prefer this wheel, so we'll see. I might swap this one over, clean it and swap it over, but yeah, pretty much everything's the same. Let's see if this door opens. It does. We got some treasures back here. Oop, including a wasp. Let me just let the wasp in. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna get some mouse droppings, dirtiness. This thing's a real junker. But it's got some decent parts on it, like these front tires even. They're in very good condition, so. But anyway, here's the biggest hoopty of the two. Here's the other nice hoopty. And yeah, I don't know, what do you think of these cars? Basically the plan is to make one good one out of the two and just drive it around, cruise a little bit. It's not real long-term car or daily driver, but I always got to have a project or two on the go. And this is just one of those cars, you know, it's kind of on my car bucket list, I guess you'd say, to have a car or truck with wood grain. Like I also like those Jeep Grand Wagoneers that have the wood grain. I really like that too. So anyway, I just wanted to introduce the Eagle to you. I don't have a name, so if you have a suggestion for a name for this car, leave it in the comments below because I'm not sure what to call the car. Anyway, hope you liked the video. It's just kind of an update on the hoopty status. And yeah, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not. And thanks for watching.